Every great dream begins as a quiet wish, whispered by someone brave enough to believe in it.
And years ago, a dream was awakened by a woman, Srimati Ambika Mahapatra, whose heart beats for children, for education, and for a better tomorrow.
She didn't have luxuries, she didn't have guarantees, but she had courage, she had purpose, and she planted a dream and nurtured it until it grew into this school.
Life, however, is unpredictable, and when we lost our beloved founder, the school felt her absence in every corridor, every classroom, every morning prayer.
But a promise doesn't die, a dream doesn't stop, and a light doesn't fade. When a dream loses the one who created it, the world expects it to fade, but sometimes destiny chooses someone else to carry it forward. He was young, still learning the ways of life. Yet, the weight of an entire school fell on his shoulders overnight. He didn't ask, "Why me?" He said, "For her, I'll continue." And he wasn't alone. Chairman Mr. Manas Ranjan Mahapatra and Trustee Mr. Debashis Mahapatra stood with him, guiding, supporting, strengthening his resolve so the dream she started would not fade, but grow even brighter.
When my mother left us, for a moment it felt like my whole world stopped. But in that silence, I could still hear her dream calling me. This school is not just a building, it's a heartbeat, her love, her sacrifice, her vision for every child. And today, I stand here with pride, continuing what she started, keeping her dream alive.
And from that moment, the school didn't just survive, it began to rise.
Welcome to Divyajyoti School, where a new era of learning truly begins. Here, education is not limited to books and boards. It transforms into smart technology, powerful imagination, innovation, and confidence. Here, learning upgrades itself every day, every moment. Because this is not just education, this is the future being built right here. Today in 2025, Divyajyoti School rises as a fully digital learning campus equipped with smart classrooms, advanced technology and a future-ready mindset.
At Divyajyoti School, classrooms don't just teach, they transform learning. Our pre-primary children begin their journey in fully digital classrooms, each equipped with 55-inch smart Google TVs, turning every lesson into play, joy, excitement and early discovery every single day. All our CBSE pattern classrooms are also fully digital, powered by the same 55-inch smart Google TVs, bringing concept to life through visuals, animations and real-world examples. From class 1st to 8th standard in English medium, every classroom is fully digital, supported by 55-inch smart Google TV, ensuring that every child in every section learns through visuals, interaction, and unforgettable digital experience every single day. In classes 9, 10, 10th English medium and 10th Hindi medium, education steps into advanced mode with 65-inch Google EDLA interactive panels designed for deeper understanding and sharper thinking. Commerce in class 11th and 12th learn with same 65-inch EDLA smart panels supporting business-focused learning for the careers of tomorrow. And science in class 11th and 12th explores with 75-inch and 65-inch EDLA panels, bringing every formula, every experiment and every idea to life right in the classroom. In Hindi medium as well, from class 1st to 9th, technology supports every student through high-quality digital projector systems, so no learner is ever left behind. All our screens, panels and projectors are powered by high-speed internet, ensuring smooth, seamless digital learning every single day. Because technology at Divyajyoti School doesn't replace teachers, it empowers them. It makes every lesson richer, deeper and more meaningful for every child. This isn't just digital learning, this is a revolution.
The future of education is already happening today in every classroom.
Welcome to a world where learning feels magical. Our pre-primary classrooms shine with color, creativity, curiosity and playful imagination. Spaces lovingly designed to make every child feel joyful, secure and eager to explore. Here, every smile is the first step towards learning.
Our activity room is a lively space where curiosity takes shape through art, puzzles, music, movement, and creative play. Here, young learners develop imagination, coordination, and early confidence. For our elder students, the indoor sports room becomes a zone of focus and friendly competition, with chess, carom, and table tennis helping them sharpen strategy, patience, and sportsmanship.
Welcome to our media room, where learning goes beyond the classroom. With 75-inch Google EDLA interactive panels, students attend live interactive classes that are recorded and shared on our official school YouTube channel. So anytime they need, they can revisit the lesson, learn again and learn better. Here, learning has no limits because this is our step into the future. And this is our studio room, a place where imagination becomes creation. Here, when our students dance, we make it magical, transforming the background with colorful animations and sharing their joyful performances on our school's YouTube channel. This is where confidence begins, where stories come alive. Right here is our audio-visual room, a place where every lesson turns into an experience. With theatre-style projection and rich Dolby Digital sound, learning becomes immersive and unforgettable. Here, students step into the future, exploring AI, robotics, and machine learning through real demonstration, advanced simulations, and powerful tools like ChatGPT and Google Gemini. This isn't just a room, it's a launchpad where ideas turns into innovation.
At Divyajyoti School, yoga is woven into our daily routine, building strength, calmness and clarity in every child. Through structured asanas and mindful breathing, students develop discipline, balance and a healthy, focused mind.
Dance at Divyajyoti is pure expression, a blend of culture, creativity and confidence. With training in modern styles, students discover the joy of movement and the power of performance. At Divyajyoti, champions aren't born, they are shaped through hard work and discipline. From volleyball and badminton to karate, taekwondo, gymnastics, boxing and kabaddi, our students train with top-class facilities and skilled coaches. This is where strength meets determination and where dedication turns into true excellence.
Step into a digital hub, a modern computer lab powered with over 50 advanced systems designed for coding, creativity and exploration. With fast internet and all essential software at their fingertips, students develop true digital confidence and prepare for a future-driven technology.
Step into a place where questions become discoveries and ideas don't stay in books, they come alive. Our physics, chemistry, and biology labs are exploration zones built for curious young minds. Here, learning is hands-on. We test, mix, measure, and watch science happens right before our eyes.
To ensure a safe and comfortable journey for our students, Divyajyoti School operates 11 dedicated school buses, managed by trained drivers and carrying support staff. Serving all major routes within a 10-kilometer radius, our transport system is punctual, secure, and built with student safety at the heart of every ride. At our school, safety is our top priority. Our campus is secured by 160 high-definition CCTV cameras that covers all corridors, classrooms, and outdoor areas, providing a fully monitored environment for students and staff 24/7. In June 2025, Divyajyoti School received the proud national recognition, the Special Jury Mention, at the Annual Education Summit by the Economic Times and Sunriser Technologies. This recognition places us among India's top 37 schools, with our story featured in a National Coffee Table book celebrating educational excellence and innovation.
Every great school is built not just by its buildings but by the people who bring it to life. At Divyajyoti, our teachers and office staff are the heartbeat of our campus, the ones who guide, support, organize, and care every single day.
We teach, we inspire, we comfort, we learn, and we grow with every child who walks into our classroom. Every strong institution grows under strong leadership. At Divyajyoti School, our trustee Shri Debashish Mahapatra and Chairman Shri Manas Ranjan Mahapatra stand as pillars of guide and vision, ensuring the school's progress, integrity, and continuous excellence.
At Divyajyoti School, we don't just educate, we empower. We build character, we ignite confidence, we inspire compassion, so that every child is ready not just for exams but for life. With dedicated teachers, proud parents, and determined students by our side, we are not just a school, we are a future shaping family.
This school is not just an institution, it's a promise to every parent, a home for every child, and a legacy for generations to come. We will keep growing, we will keep innovating, and we will keep shining just as my mother dreamed.
This is our school, this is our future, this is Divyajyoti.
At Divyajyoti School, learning doesn't stop when the bell rings. It continues anytime, anywhere. From detailed lessons to creative student videos, we share every moment so our community stays connected and inspired. Stay connected with us, subscribe on YouTube, and follow us on Instagram for daily updates from Divyajyoti School.
ज्ञान की रोशनी दिल में है जगी, सीखने का सफर हम सब ने है थामी। सपनों के पंख आसमां को छोलें, गुरु का हाथ राहों को रोशन करे। दिव्य ज्योति